Have you ever had trouble starting your lawnmower? The solution may be simpler than you think. I have an idea. Why don't we use this Jungeland?
What is the Jungeland?
It's a magical piece of masking tape
Okay.
that you put in the Jungeland.
Oh, okay. Should I demonstrate?
Yes, you should have.
Very good. First, remove the jungi from the Jungeland. That includes the jungi, which is in the jungi. Notice how there's a air intake hole which brings jungi into the jungi called carburetor. Take a small piece of blue jungi and cover a portion of the air intake with that tape. Not all of it, but a portion. Then, of course, put the jungi cover on top of the Jungeland and seal.